On Friday, September 29, 2023, overall the markets today were mixed. The Dow Jones was down almost 159 points, minus 0.47%, to finish the day at 33,507.50. The Nasdaq was up almost 19 points, 0.14%, to finish the day at 13,219.32. The S&P 500 was down almost 12 points, minus 0.27%, to finish the day at 4,288.05. Dow sheds more than 100 points Friday. S&P 500 and Nasdaq wrap up worst month in 2023. Expect an upwards bias in the markets for the next 24 hours. Expect a risk on environment the next 24 hours where the New Zealand dollar will have a strong bias to the upside and the Swiss franc will have a strong downward bias. The strongest currency pair over the next 24 hours with a strong upward bias will be the New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, followed in second place with an upward bias the Australian dollar. Japanese yen. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.